Hey YouTube, hey, this is inside my 1996 Suburban, and this is my buddy Scott Fegley playing his CD from the late 90s, his song Hotel Lobby, and this is the yellow color of the screen of the display on the Sony, and it kind of matches the factory lighting. It looks good. You can change the colors though. You can change the colors. But I like this color a lot. And everyone who climbs in, they're always like, no one ever says anything about this. It's a single den. But what they'll do is, the moment I start feeding it, you know, things through Bluetooth, they're like, oh, it's got Bluetooth. Oh, it's got a CD player. Oh, interesting. It's a sweet rig. And I got a special faceplate holder for it, and that product's got a pocket in it. I don't know if you can see that very well, probably not. I'll show you that here in a moment. That's so close, you know that closer we'll never be. And if you don't like that color, let's say you don't like the color, you just change it. You push this. Push for display. Let's say we want to change the display color. Set display color. It's on yellow right now, but let's say we wanted to make it green, or cyan, blue, purple, pink, rose, white. I like the white pretty good, but I really like the yellow. I think the yellow has more of a vintage type of look to it. I like the sunset. I like the aqua. Aqua looks good too. Twilight. And then you can also set the buttons too. We're gonna go back to yellow though, because we're gonna keep it on. Back out of it. And there it is. Love me now. Oh, looks pretty good, doesn't it? No one can hold me now. Also, you can change the display to show the time on the CD. Shows the battery voltage. Battery voltage is nice to know, and that's with the AC running. It would show the names on the CD, but this is prior to that CD identification when the CD came out. See, no name. Track number 9. Anyway, it looks good, doesn't it? Alright, so I'm putting the light on it, and just to show y'all what this pocket looks like, I ordered this radio through Crutchfield, and they sent me a faceplate kit that was just blank, but I bought a different one from Metra that had this little pocket, which is a very slim pocket, but holds the remote for the radio, and it's a pretty cool little setup, you know. It looks pretty good, and I've been real pleased with this thing. The other thing is, this is the marine radio of the Sony series, and it also has Sirius XM in it. So we're gonna switch over here, and as USB in the front, auxiliary, Bluetooth audio, Pandora. I do not have the Pandora set up, and Sirius XM. So here we got some Vince Gill going. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's pretty nice. There's not very many real videos about this unit on YouTube. And the thing is They have another version of this radio that does not have this backlit screen, and I actually started off with that one first, but on really bright days it was really hard to read. But this version with the backlit screen, the marine version, it is so easy to read during the daytime, even on sunny days. And so I think that works best for me with my nearing senior citizen age eyes. I realize they're gonna give me a copyright strike, but I'm not doing this video to make any money, you know?
Anyway, here it is, Walter Brennan's version of it. And after that, he looks like me.
Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this helps someone make a decision. It cost about $135 shipped. And then of course I paid an additional $13 off Amazon for this particular pocket. I installed it myself, and I had to put in a Sirius XM receiver box in the back, but it is Sirius XM ready. And anyway, and here's that USB port in the front, and it also came with a rubber plug to put over that if you're using it on a boat. But in this case, no boat, just you know, just like this. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks for watching.